Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our Chrysler Fifth Avenue. Kind of a neat old car from the 80s. Really nice shape, especially in the interior. Bought it off an estate. The gentleman had passed away. According to his son, he believed the miles to be actual. Do not have any documentation, so be sold to you as exempt. Couple bad spots, just typical, right down low there, and then on the lower part of the door. Otherwise, you just find a scratch and some chips here occasionally. Interior is just in excellent shape. Power seats, power windows, power locks. On its day, this is really a high-end car. 43,406 is what the odometer shows, and as I said, he said they're actual, but he could not document them. So it does run and drive good. We'll have a running video also. Said you just get them rock chips, and guy could buff that, and that would look a little better. Got a little fading, checkered up on the trunk deck here, just from some sun. A few scratches. So not a perfect car, but a pretty nice car for what we're asking, you know, a $5,000 and under car, you know. You don't get much for $5,000 anymore. And one, like my son and nephew said, you can fall asleep driving in this car with them seats. So really comfortable ride. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.